Hey, what is going on, everybody? So today I want to talk to you about this Spring Reverb algorithm that we have developed inside the new Revelation. So a lot of you have been asking for more shorter non-ambient reverbs to put in the Revelation. So this is exactly what we've done with the Spring. So if you look at the decay knob on these sound samples we're about to show you, it doesn't always get quite as long as what you may expect out of another reverb pedal, but the reason why is because we have created the Spring Reverb to kind of act like a tube-driven spring tank, reminiscent of like the early to mid 60s type blackface sounds. So the decay knob, like we mentioned, is going to be shorter than your traditional reverbs. And then the Control 1 acts like the dwell knob if you have ever played through a standalone reverb head. What the dwell knob does is allow you to drive the front of those tubes even harder. And so as you turn the dwell knob up, you actually hit the front end of that spring a little harder. It gets a little bit more boinginess and also gives you just a little bit more explosiveness sound inside that reverb. So like a traditional tank, as that dwell gets turned up, you'll probably want to compensate the volume or the mix and turn that down. But so let's have a listen to some of the sound samples, and we hope you guys enjoy.